Let us start vitamins. Coming to definition of vitamins, vitamins are organic compounds required in small quantities in the diet. In order to maintain normal metabolic function and growth. These vitamins are not synthesized in the body and hence they are not synthesized in the body and hence need to be supplied in the diet. Exception is vitamin D. If proper quantities of vitamins are not taken in the diet, there occur signs and symptoms leading to a disease or disorder called as vitamin deficiency. Vitamins do not provide energy. Like that of carbohydrate, lipids or proteins. These are micronutrients. Micronutrients means required in very minute quantities, but these are important for metabolism of macronutrients like carbohydrate, lipids and proteins. Now coming to classification of vitamins. Vitamins are broadly classified into fat soluble vitamins, and water soluble vitamins. The examples of fat soluble vitamins are vitamins A, D, E and K, whereas water soluble vitamins are B complex vitamins and C. Coming to solubility, these are, as the name suggests, they are soluble in fats. These are soluble in water. So for absorption, bile salts are needed for fat soluble vitamins, whereas bile salts are not required in case of water soluble vitamins. Once absorbed, carrier proteins are required in case of fat soluble vitamins, whereas carrier proteins are not required in the plasma for water soluble vitamins. Then storage. Being fat soluble, they are stored in the body, preferably in the liver or in the adipose tissue. Water soluble vitamins are not stored in the body. Exception is B12. Then excretion. Fat soluble vitamins are not excreted in urine, whereas these water soluble vitamins, being water soluble, are excreted along with urine. Their deficiency symptoms does not arise immediately. It will take time. 4 to 6 months are required for non-availability of fat soluble vitamin to appearance of the symptoms. In case of water soluble vitamins, the symptoms develop immediately. Symptoms of deficiency appears immediately. Then in case of treatment, large doses, single large dose can be given for treatment of deficiency of fat soluble vitamin, whereas in case of water soluble vitamin, there should be continuous dietary supply of these vitamins. Coming to functions of fat soluble vitamins, provitamin A and vitamin E acts as an antioxidant. Vitamin K acts as a coenzyme or cofactor. And vitamin A and D has hormone-like action. In case of water-soluble vitamin, B complex and C, these act as a coenzyme, and vitamin C acts as an antioxidant. Toxicity. If given in overdose, fat soluble vitamin can cause toxicity or hypervitaminosis symptoms. Given in large doses, water soluble vitamin, as they are easily excreted in the urine, they will not cause toxicity symptoms. Now coming to the concept of provitamins, provitamins are the substances which are not active but they are converted into vitamins. So example of provitamin is beta carotene, which is converted into vitamin A in the body. So provitamins are the substances which do not have vitamin-like activities. They are inactive, present in the and they are converted into active vitamin forms in the body.